Now, my friends, here is the real truth about AI today. AI will not replace hoteliers, but it will expose who adapts today. Everyone is talking about AI as it is coming for hospitality. But what if it is actually coming to restore hospitality? My name is Adamork, and I'm your digital transformation and AI coach. And in the last year, I have seen AI quietly transform hotels from Singapore to Spain, not by replacing people, but by returning something we lost in the transaction, and that is time. So let's explore the truth. Will AI revolutionize the hotel industry forever? Or is it simply helping us rediscovering what makes hospitality human today? Let's dive into this today together. Now, let's start with a fear when it comes to AI today, where you have a perspective or a narrative that says that robots are the front desk, algorithms is replacing revenue manager, and this is typically like a Hollywood type of perspective. But when you walk into a hotel today that actually is using AI, it feels kind of calmer. And at the Soku Hotel in Amsterdam, they didn't install robots. They used AI to listen to guest feedback. It flagged lightning and noise as common complaints. So they adjusted the design, and as a result, guest satisfaction rose without adding more staff. Now, AI didn't replace anyone, it just noticed the complaints and the signals much faster. That is what people miss today. AI removes repetition so humans can rediscover one key element that we seem to missing, which is empathy. The truth today is that AI is already here, and it has actually been here for a while, quietly and invisible. And for your hotel, your PMS assigns rooms automatically, or your RMS predicts demands before you do, or your CRM nudges the guest towards direct booking. So you see, you are already using AI. You just don't call it that yet. But that will come, my friends, very soon. Now, today with AI and humans, there are three big shifts we will look into here. And that is the first one is guest experience. Now, for years, personalization could mean awkward emails, often with your name spelled wrong. Today, AI makes it real. An example here is that 25 hours hotels guest preferences now syncs automatically. So if you like, for example, garden facing rooms and oatmeal in your coffee, it will be ready before you arrive, and it will be actually hot and fresh when you arrive at your room. This, my friends, is the new intimacy. Technology not replacing care, but actually amplifying. So you can pull off this with your guests today. And the second big shift when it comes to AI and humans today is revenue and marketing. Now, AI will not kill revenue management. It will actually make it more creative. And an example here was a boutique hotel in Lisbon used AI tools to identify micro segments like remote workers, couples, solo travelers, and from there it tailored its emails. And as a result, they saw booking was rising with 11%. And not because AI wrote the emails, but because the team, and I underscore, the team finally had time to write better emails. And that is essential. That's how we redistribute the time that AI is giving your team today. Now, the third shift we are going to look into is, of course, teams and culture. And here I also underscore culture because that is a key element here today. And the biggest shift of all when it comes to AI and people is that it is happening behind the front desk. An example here is like the Aqua Hotel group in Spain was drowning in repetitive guest messages like check in time, breakfast hours, parking, the typical requests that you will get at most hotels today. And the front office team was spending nearly 4 hours a day replying to the same questions. Does this sound familiar? Well, what they did at the Aqua Hotel Group in Spain was that they introduced Velma, the AI assistant chatbot from Quicktext. And suddenly they saw as much as 70 to 80% of routine inquiries were answers automatically 24/7 across the website, at WhatsApp, and also at Messenger. And within 3 months, unanswered messages dropped with as much as a quarter. Direct bookings increased by 30%. But the real impact, my friends, was not the numbers, it was the moral and the culture that it created at the hotel. And what the general manager at the Aqua Hotel Group said that they didn't lose anyone, they just got their time back. And this is what we really want to achieve also with your hotel. And the, the key here is that AI didn't replace people, it released them, it empowered them, it amplified them. And no, today the same staff spend their time upselling, resolving real issues with customers, and connecting with the customers again. So we are bringing back hospitality. We are amplifying hospitality with the help of AI. And Velma from Quicktext gave the the Aqua Hotel Group in Spain something no algorithm can measure today: dignity of attention. So, my friends, the key is that AI and humans in collaboration is the quiet revolution today. And we are seeing this pattern everywhere. One example is at the Chatwell Hotel in New York, an AI platform analyzed pre arrival data and noticed frequent spa goers booking within an hour of check in. So the system suggested a personalized welcome message offering a spa slot and a complimentary drink. And as a result, of course, what they saw that the spa revenue went up 14%. But what mattered most was that the guest wrote in reviews the staff was so thoughtful because this was a suggestion given by the AI to the staff, and the staff was one that put it in motion and gave that unique experience. AI did the listening, humans did the care. And AI is not choosing what kind of hotel you will become, it is actually reflecting it. If your culture values empathy, then AI will amplify that empathy. If your culture values shortcuts, well, then AI will expose those shortcuts. Technology does not change your values, it just magnifies it. And that's the key that you really need to understand. And that's why we need to focus on AI and humans working in collaboration. And the hotels that thrive will not be the most high tech hotels, they will be the most adaptable ones. So the questions here, my friends, is will AI revolutionize the hotel industry forever? And the short answer here is yes, but not by replacing us, by giving us back time, time to notice and time to listen and care. Hospitality was never about check in speed or rate optimizations. It is about the feeling of being seen. And that is something no machine, no technology, and most definitely not AI can replace. Technology, my friends, is not the revolution. You are. So, question for you: are you running a hotel and just starting to explore AI? Make sure that you tell me your city and room count below, and I will share with you a unique AI compass that I designed for hotels, and where you can discover your hotel's uh, AI transformation readiness score. And you will get insight and tools that will help you take your hotel to the next level with AI. And you can also schedule an appointment with me, and we can dive into even further how I can help you with taking your hotel in collaboration with AIs and humans to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this, more than anything, share this with your team, and make sure you come back here for more AI hospitality insight. Until next time, you take care and have an awesome, awesome day.